Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 400 card carrying case. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So let me see if I can get you a view of everything. I'm going to open it, and then we can get a look at what the inside of the case looks like. Pretty nice. Feels like the quality is okay. The zipper is nice and sturdy. Pretty simple. You've got a little pouch over here. And you've got a little divider in the middle for your cards. Now, obviously it's designed for Pokemon, but you can use it for any other kind of cards, baseball cards, football cards, etc. Anyway, it's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.